Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you. 2008 Upper Deck Premier Baseball. Everyone's looking for a Babe Ruth out of here. Hopefully, that would be pretty damn sick. I think I would pass out on camera if I got that. Here we go, guys. Good luck to everyone who joined. I'm due for something nasty in UD Premier. Off the bat, we got, for the Yankees, pretty low number, 12 out of 15, Ching-Ming Wang. And then we got a Jonathan Malone for the Dodgers, auto rookie, numbered out of 299. Then we have, for the Yankees, what up? Game used bat, game used jersey, numbered 19 out of 25. Not quite Babe Ruth, but pretty solid with Thurman Munson and Reggie Jackson. For the Yankees. Can't go wrong with Thurman Munson. Bat jersey. And next up, nasty patches. For the Indians, it would be a Yankee if it's the current time, but CC Sabathia for the Indians, number 25 out of 52. The patches are just ridiculous. Triple. Two of the patches are disgusting. So that is a nice card. Next up, we got a manufactured Manny Ramirez and David Ortiz, numbered 43 out of 50 for the Red Sox. So just double check, no steroids or anything on that. And then next we got for the Dodgers, once again, numbers 9 out of 50. Chad Billingsley for the Dodgers. So, All-Star Sports, that is you right there. And the final card will be for the Cardinals. Numbered 14 out of 25, autograph, Scott Rowland. How about that? So overall, pretty decent box. We'll be back with two exquisite. GSN Cards is out.